Seeing the iron lung up on the gantry suspended in midair was a little nerve-wracking. We decided to bring the iron lung into the lobby back in the fall of 2019. The iron lung has been down here in our basement in storage for over a decade. It was last on display in 2009, and we thought it was just long overdue to be back in the public eye. So we worked with the advancement department to create a fundraiser to move the iron lung back into the lobby. So an iron lung is an artificial respirator. In this case, a negative pressure ventilator would sort of create pressure on your chest to push the air out of your lungs, and it would help you kind of breathe naturally by allowing you to inhale. This was used a lot during the polio outbreak in the 40s and 50s. So the Mutter Museum is open 7 days a week to the public, which makes my job generally a challenge. We started early that morning with getting the crew in and getting the iron lung ready for the move and trying to get the object in place before the museum opened to the public at 10 a.m. The iron lung is an imposing object to try to move and get in place. It's about 9 feet long and weighs over 600 pounds. Moving an object like this is never something you take lightly, pardon the pun. We have an old building, which means we have an old elevator that was just too small to fit the iron lung in it. So we worked with a professional art handling group called Atelier. We had to get it down the hallway, up our service ramp, down the sidewalk, and up the front entrance of the building. And we had to do all that without using the wheels that are attached to the iron lung. The plan was first to get the iron lung up high enough to get its original wheels off, and then we fitted it with special, more durable wheels so we could get it down the hallway and it could handle the cracks and bumps on the sidewalk, just getting around the corner. And we built a ramp that led from the street up to the front entrance that morning and got it up the ramp. From there, the plan was to lift it. So Atelier used a gantry, a special lift that they constructed in the lobby to safely hoist up the iron lung, and took its flashy new wheels off and put it on its newly designed display platform. I worked with a woodworker named John Junius Taylor, and my goal for the design of the platform was really to make sure that it fit within the room and alongside the existing casework in the space. So my drawings were designed to help John create something that looked and felt Mutter-esque. And then our job was to make sure it stayed protected, so we put it behind the acrylic sheets and applied the reader rail that I designed, and we're up and running. My goal is always to create a memorable experience for visitors. Luckily, that's a pretty easy job when it comes to the iron lung. It's something that people seem to really know it's special as soon as they see it. And my goal as a designer in this case was to let the object do the talking for me. So the casework itself is really designed to fit in the space and fit in along with the other existing casework and kind of get out of the way. There is a special significance to having the iron lung out on display in the lobby during the current pandemic. Having COVID-19, breathing problems are one of the major issues. We're all really happy for visitors to be able to come in and learn a little bit more about what a unique time that was with the polio outbreak and how America sort of combated that.